Okay. I'm recording. Shush. I'm recording today. This is my first. Oh my gosh. This is my third video as the Dino Puppet. So I'm going to do a face reveal. That's my legs. I'm biting my own legs right now. That's me. I'm gonna do a face reveal. And Josh, don't ruin this video again, or you'll never be in, or you will be kicked out of the video.
Okay, I don't want to be.
Okay, so shush. 3, 2, 1. Face reveal. And yeah, it's me, Jack of Awesome. So, you might have expected me to be the Dino Puppet because whenever on every single Dino Puppet video, I'm not even in the video, can't see me at all. Shh. And, shh. Shh. I'm glad George isn't in this video. Listen. I do not like George. I don't like George that much. This could have been the third time. He's already ruined my video 4 times now. If he ruins my video a 5th time, I'm gonna go crazy.
Go like this.
That's not what I mean when I say crazy. Anyways, yeah, it's me. You all probably expected me to be the Dino Puppet, but anyways, so I got the I got the idea of the Dino Puppet from the Shark Puppet. So go subscribe to the Shark Puppet. His YouTube channel name is just the Shark Puppet. Or maybe it's just Shark Puppet. Yeah, his YouTube channel name is Shark Space Puppet. And yeah, that's it. But just because I'm doing a face reveal, that doesn't mean I'm not going to do any more Dino Puppet videos. I still am going to do more Dino Puppet videos. Because after this video is done uploading onto YouTube, I'm going to do a Dino Puppet versus Peanut. That's the Peanut Puppet over there. Hennessy is the one who plays for Peanut. Peanut, the red dino. Peanut is Dino Puppet's #1 enemy. Put on the Peanut Puppet and show proof. What does Peanut do? Show them what Peanut does. See, that's what Peanut does. That's proof. I don't know why Peanut does that.
Poop, poop, poop.
Okay, well, we're done with the video.
Bye-bye.
Yeet! I just stepped on him.
Yo.